Good morning everyone, this is Shivani from St. Thomas School. Students, today I am making this video for class 7th and today we will start a new lesson, Noun. Students, this is not a new topic in our syllabus. We are doing it for last many years. Noun is something that we all know, but today we will again read it in quite detailed manner. Noun is not in any particular class, or it is not specifically for class 7. So this video is useful for everybody who still has any sort of confusion in noun. So basically when we talk about noun, the first thing that strikes in our head is that noun is the naming word. And we also know that kinds of noun, that there are different kinds of noun like proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. But still, after doing it for so many years, some students are still confused between common noun and collective noun. So today we will do different questions and a lot of exercises, and also I'll give you at the end of the video few questions as a homework. And students, I really hope that you all are doing your homework seriously. You are taking all these online classes very seriously, because whatever we are doing here, it's only for you. And if you are not taking advantage of it and you are not getting benefit of it, then I don't think it is of any use. So please take your studies very seriously. See all the videos, make your own notes. Even if we are giving you the notes, try to make your own notes. Okay, so let's start today's session. Okay students, so as you can see on your screens, we are starting chapter Noun. First of all, students, you can see the definition of noun. Students, I don't want you to grab the definition of noun on anything. What you have to do is you have to understand the concept of something. Learning definition is never going to help you. Okay? So, let's start the session. Definition of noun. A noun is a word which means names of a person, place, animal, action, feeling, or any idea. So basically, from last so many years, what we are really knowing about noun is that noun is naming word. Okay, wherever we can see any name, there we can say that it is noun. So let's see the examples. Person, teacher, mother, Neha and Arjun, all are the examples of noun person. Place, it can be ground, Delhi, Prayagraj, school, restaurant, anything. Animal, cat, dog, lion, fish, anything. Things, chair, book, pen, phone, etc. Idea or feeling, love, hate, fear, anger. So basically, noun is called as naming words. See the kinds of noun. Nouns are basically classified into 5 kinds. Here we are given the different kinds of noun. I'll just read it out for you. Then we will read it one by one. Proper noun, second common noun, third collective noun, fourth abstract noun, fifth material noun. First is proper noun. What is proper noun? A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place or thing. Students, you can see in this definition I have highlighted a word that is particular. Why I have highlighted this particular word? Because proper noun is known as the noun which is for specifically or particularly for any person, place or thing. See the examples. Name of people, Rahul, Rashmi, Karan. Okay, So if I talk about particular one person, Rashmi, or if I talk about Rahul or Karan, then they can be considered as noun. Which noun? Proper noun. But if I say that the teacher is coming, then we cannot say that teacher is proper noun because it can be any teacher. Buildings, Taj Mahal, India Gate. Titles, Mr. and Mrs. Okay, this is something new. All the titles like Mr., Mrs., this also comes under the proper noun. Place, India, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi. Like if I say I am going Australia next month, then it can be Australia can be classified into proper noun. But if I say I am going to foreign country next month, then foreign country will not be considered into proper noun because proper noun needs to be specifically or particularly for one person, place or thing. See the next one, common noun. A common noun denotes a person, place or things in general. Example, see, like in proper noun, I have highlighted the word particular, and in this definition, I have highlighted the word general because common noun is a noun that denotes again for a person, place or thing, but not for a particular or specifically for one thing. It consider for general. It talks about general. Example, people, doctor, teacher or tailor. If you say that this teacher is coming, that teacher is coming to the class, then that teacher word is considered into common noun because you don't know, it can be your English teacher, it can be your maths teacher, it can be anyone. Place, mall, market, school, hospital. Okay, if I talk about some mall, that mummy, I am going to some mall. Okay, there I am not mentioning the name of mall. Okay, then mall will be considered into common noun. But if I say to my mother that I am going to PVR, then that will be specific. Yeah, if I say I am going to pantaloons, then I am taking the proper noun. I am taking a specifically particular name of that mall. Animals, lion, tiger, cat. Things, computer, desk, table and chair. Next up is collective noun. A collective noun denotes collection or group of people. Okay, this is important part in this definition. Collection or group of people, animal or things taken together as a whole. Taken together as a whole. Okay, so whenever we talk about any group of people, any group of animal, any group of things that is taken up as a one thing, taken up as a whole, then that is known as collective noun. Example, army, class, team, gang. Okay, so army is, we are talking about soldiers, so many soldiers. Okay, when so many soldiers are taken up together, they are known as army. Similarly, class, there are so many students, and when you take so many students together, then you say class, team, gang. Similarly, in animals, herd, flock and army. Army is also known as the group of ants. See few more examples of collective noun. A class of students, an army of soldiers, a choir of singers and a pack of thieves. Okay, so whenever you take a group of things, a group of people or a group of animals together as one thing, as one whole, then that is known as collective noun. Next up is material noun. A material noun denotes the matter or substance of which things are made. So material noun is the material by which a thing is made. The substance can be solid, liquid or gas. And next very important thing, it is always singular. Material noun is always singular. Example, silk. If I say my dress is made of silk, I'm wearing a sari of silk. Gold. This ring is made up of gold, copper and paper. So basically when you talk about any material, any substance, then it will be considered into material noun. Lastly, we have abstract noun. An abstract noun denotes a quality or action or a state of being. Abstract noun is basically a feeling or any action or a state of being. Like which state I am in? I am in a very happy mood, so I am in a happy state. Similarly, if you talk about any feeling, that can be. And one more important thing about abstract noun is that you cannot touch or you cannot see it. You cannot touch or you cannot see abstract noun. You can't touch or see it. Okay, so you can only feel it. Abstract noun, the most important thing about abstract noun is that you cannot see or touch it, you can only feel it. Example: poverty, happy, honesty, truth, fear, love, hate, all these are in the abstract noun. And when we talk about abstract noun, one more very important point comes: the formation of abstract noun. We can form abstract noun by adding suffix. What is suffix? Suffix is a word that that comes after any word. You can add a suffix after any word and you can make a new word. Suffix such as ness, age, meant, the, shun. Okay, so you can add these suffix to any word and you can make a new abstract noun. Like I have added ness into kind and I have made a new word, kindness. Okay, and kindness is an abstract noun. Weakness, shortage, punish, punishment. You cannot see punishment, you cannot see weakness, you cannot see kindness, and you cannot see shortage. Okay, so this is your homework for today. I'll just read out the homework for you. Form abstract noun from the following. What you have to do is you have to add a suffix to these words and you have to make a new word that should be abstract noun. Create, false, appoint, carry, foolish. And the next is fill in the blanks with the collective noun. Like I have told you, a group of soldiers is known as army. A group of students is known as class. Okay, students. So this was it about today. If you have any confusion or any queries, you can still ask me in the comment section. So we will meet up again in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe and study hard.